I have a GE stove with the numbers 164D3871 P001. The exterior metal bar at the base of the oven glass door is rusting. Rusted metal flakes off and it looks terrible. Is there a bar that replaced this rusted one?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
The numbers I gave you are what I found on the inside of the oven door.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope, just this for now.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? The model/serial tag should be on the inner oven face frame.
164D3871 P001.
That is not a model number.
I'll check again.
Here is a video that will help you find the model number. https://www.youtube.com/watch V = VRJPiltMuzik.
Thanks, helped. Model #JBP 8003BB. Better. The model hash was inside of the drawer.
Okay, here is an image of the door part. Please look at the image and then tell me if you see the rusted part and what item number it is, please. https://www.partadvantage.com/diagram/4/001168000/0016824.io/680/900. I'm assuming it will be number 119, but want to make sure.
Correct. Number 119.
Okay, and that piece is black in color, correct?
Black.
The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
You've been very helpful and made this painless. Thanks.
Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.